Millions of men take Viagra, but do you really know what happens inside your body? The truth may shock you. Viagra, also known as Sildenafil, was originally developed for heart disease. But doctors soon discovered an unexpected side effect. It boosts blood flow to a certain part of the body. When you take Viagra, it relaxes blood vessels, allowing more blood to flow where it's needed. This helps men with erectile dysfunction, ED, achieve and maintain an erection. But here's something surprising. Viagra doesn't just help in the bedroom. Studies show it may improve heart health, reduce high blood pressure, and even help with altitude sickness. But before you rush to take it, be careful. Viagra can cause side effects like headaches, dizziness, and even dangerous drops in blood pressure, especially if taken with certain medications. Not everyone can take Viagra safely. If you have heart disease, take nitrates, or suffer from very low blood pressure, it could be risky. So try to avoid Viagra at this period. Want a natural alternative? Foods like watermelon and spinach boost circulation, while regular exercise and stress reduction can also help in enhancing your sexual performance. Viagra can be helpful, but it's not for everyone. Always consult a doctor before use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share for more health tips.